Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming where Steam thinks your files are. Open Steam settings, go to Downloads, and check Steam library folders so you know the exact path. Once done, verify the drive has enough free space and the correct drive letter. Windows can reassign letters and break links. Make sure your antivirus isn't quarantining files by temporarily disabling it or adding the Steam folder to exclusions. This prevents false positives that remove or hide downloaded content. Next, repair the installation and force Steam to rescan. You right-click the game, choose Properties, then Local Files, and run Verify Integrity of Game Files so Steam compares each file to the server index. If Steam reports many files missing but you have a folder, add that game folder to the correct library and retry. Steam will detect local files and avoid redownloading. If verification keeps failing, run Steam as administrator and check the disk with chkdsk to rule out file system corruption. Finally, finish by reinstalling correctly and checking logs if needed. If repairs fail, uninstall the game through Steam while keeping local files, then reinstall to the same library so Steam requires file references without full redownloads. Redownload a small patch to confirm behavior, and monitor Steam/logs for errors that point to permission or path issues. If transfers stall or files keep disappearing, clear Steam's download cache in Settings, right arrow Downloads, and restart Steam. This often resolves stale references and stuck content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.